Let's solve this question with the help of two methods. First one, factorization method, and the second one, the using of quadratic equation formula. So first method that we will use the concept of factorization method. For that, what we will do, we will multiply the coefficient of x square, which is written as 2, constant term which is written as minus of a square. Let's multiply these two values and you will get the answer as minus 2a square. Now, we have to bifurcate this value such that the sum of those two things are coming as a, which means I can do the factors of this that is written in this form. Either we can write it as 2a and multiplying it with negative of a, which means if I will add 2a and negative of a, it will become as a. So this is the step that we will follow here. Now we can say 2x square will be written as it is, ax will be written as 2ax minus of ax minus a square. Now we can take 2 common from here and x common from here. You will get the answer as x plus a. And if you can see here, we can take again the value of a as common and you will get the value as x plus a. We can write it as equal to 0 and equal to 0 in this one. Now if you can see here, we are having the common value as x plus a and x plus a in this one. So we can take x plus a common from here and you will get the value as 2x minus of a, which is equal to 0. So there are two values of x that you will get. Either you can write x plus a is equal to 0 or you can write 2x minus of a equals to 0. So the value of x that you will get, that is minus of a, and you will get the value of x that is equal to a over 2. Now this is the first method that you are having. Let's solve the same question with the help of quadratic equation formula. So let's write the formula first. So it is written as x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus of 4ac divided with 2a. So minus of b means minus of a, plus minus root over a square minus of 4, a means 2 and c means a square. So we will write it as negative of a square. Now we can divide it with 2a. Instead of this a, we will write it as 2 because the coefficient of x square, that is given as 2. So let's expand everything. You will write it as minus a plus minus root over a square plus 4 into 8 and minus will become plus 4 into 2, 8. We will write it as 8a square. That is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Now we are getting the value as a square here and 8a square is here. So a square and 8a square will become 9a square. So we will write it as minus a plus minus root over 9a square divided with 4. Now we already know a square is a perfect square and 9 is also a perfect square. So we will write it as minus of a plus minus 3a divided with 4. So we can take the two forms. First one, either you can take the value of x, that is minus of a plus of 3a, that is divided with 4. And the second one, that we can write it as minus of a minus of 3a divided with 4. So the first one, that you will get it as 2a by 4. And the second one, that you will get it as minus 4a by 4. So if you are writing 2a by 4, it will be equal to a by 2. And for the second one, minus 4a by 4, which means you are getting the answer as minus a. So these two answers that you are getting from here. And if you can see, either you are solving it with this one or you are solving it with this one, you are getting the same answer. Hope you have understood this question. We can use both methods. So if you have understood this question, if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel and we will solve so many questions related to these concepts.